capacity is 420 grams.
The light is broken here.
No, this light is broken. I think the light in the staircase B for the floor 1 has been changed to a red. It was changed to a red one. It hasn't been before. It's been yellow. This was also it was built in 1971. It must be very late 1971 with these NP8 buttons. Turning 50 years old in next year, 2021, when it's going to be inspected again. The serial number is H25669. No, it's 660. And it's got 6 floors. Let's see if the occupied light works here. No, it's broken here too. And they don't have the contact for that.
Yeah.
No, that contact is broken. The capacity is 4%. Yes, I said it already. And field 6, 1960s type stop and alarm buttons. And 6 floors. And we might take another ride too.
Yeah. Not in a bad shape for being almost 50 years old. And these look more like Isaiah Graham NP8 buttons. Yeah.
This is what they even used for Kone very early when it was introduced.
Yeah. Inspektiitpaa kiva inspektata meidän tempais pohjissa.
Maybe they were like introduced by Isaiah Graham, but Kone used these buttons for a while.
Yeah.
And then they developed their own version of them.
Yeah.
But still they got introduced at the same time.
Yeah.
In both here in Finland and in Sweden. So maybe it was some sort of collaboration.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much for watching.
That's